Hello, are you free?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay. Please get in.
How much is it?
It's $10.
That's fine. Please go fast. I'm late.
Don't worry. I will drive fast and safe.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay. Do you know the station well?
Yes, I go there every day.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I see the station now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Mi trovi su Facebook, su YouTube e su TikTok. Contattami per avere informazioni sul corso o sulle ripetizioni.